manunuti ka baka basulak ta simbaan. Baki conduct ti...
Request me pay lang dito Mr. Chair. So, I think...
Bagay, di funding na. Tato natin di funding nan sa balin do ti sarita
Yes.
yun tong nang
Yes,
ibagayo
Mr.
nga
Chair.
kasta. Thank you, Apo Bjorn. Any objection na po? There being none, motion is approved. Any individual amendments, Apo? Since no more amendments, what's your pleasure, Apo Bjorn Lau?
I move for the approval of the second reading draft City Resolution number 30 SP 2025-050, a resolution respectfully and earnestly requesting the Department of Public Works and Highway, DPWH First Engineering District, Ilocos Norte, through the Honorable Ferdinand Alexander Marcos Marcos III, House Majority Leader, for the construction of the Pocket Park and walkable space at the premises of the Wag City Central Elementary School.
Any second na po? Second by Honorable Enrico Ang. Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand na po. Apo, Jason? 11 in favor, negative vote, Apo. Any abstention na po? Apo, Jason, you know our rules. Please cite the reason na po.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. It is true that this is a resolution, Mr. Chair, a sentiment. But even though in making one, Mr. Chair, we need to resort to the proper procedure in passing one. And if we are going to take into consideration the statement made by Attorney Charito Malikan, Mr. Chair, that they ask permission in the cleaning of the premises of the property intended to be cleaned, and all of the sudden we are going to develop it without seeking their intention or their comment, Mr. Chair. I think it will render nugatory the very reason why you ask permission, because you have some reservation. And my reservation, Mr. Chair, our ownership over the property is not absolute, Mr. Chair. We need to do the proper channeling, Mr. Chair. That would be all, Mr. Chair.